fuck off. Bruni! Let's go find some butterflies. He's side-eyeing me. Side-eye. Why is Mick? Oh my. Over here, I have just found some cookie plant. This is the feed plant of the orange tip butterfly. Let's carry on and try and find some butterflies. Yes, queen. I've just caught my first butterfly. I caught a large white. Let's put it in the enclosure. And there we go. Let's go find some more butterflies. Found this really cool green caterpillar. It's quite cool. Guys, I just caught a small white. Let's put it in my net enclosure. There we go. We haven't caught anything like special yet. I've caught a peacock this time. Okay, I've arrived back home. I'm going to release the butterflies now. Let's take the first one out.